it's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And yes, I just received my Ipsy Glam Plus box, and I'm so excited to be opening it for the month of September. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Plus box, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, I'm so excited to be opening this box. But first, let's get into the specs of this box. If you do not know what an Ipsy Glam Plus box is, an Ipsy Glam Plus box is a beauty subscription. You get 5 full-size products for $25 a month. But you would have to get the original Ipsy Glam bag, which is $10 a month, for 4 to 5 sample size products, or travel size products. So if you're signed up for the Ipsy Glam bag, then you can upgrade to the Ipsy Glam bag Plus, or you can get this along with the bag. So I get this and the bag, but I have not received my bag yet, but I did receive my box. So I'm excited to break this open and see what's inside. So let's get started. So I brought my handy dandy knife with me this time. And so we got her open, and woo, this is her. Super cute. And then she always has this cute little message on the box that says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And I love that. That is so cute. So the first thing that's in here is the Nomad times Berlin Underground. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not sure. Underground, yeah. Berlin Underground. This is a eyeshadow palette. It says it's intense eyeshadow palette. And let's open this up. And this is it says it's a special edition. So it has the shadows on the back, so it looks like I would like these. But let's see. Let's see. Ooh, super pretty. Oh, this is super cute. Look at that. And they got little skull imprints. I'm not sure if you can see that. But yes, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Let's do some swatches. Okay, so Love Pride is calling my name. And Tatchless. So let's do Love Pride and Tatchless. So this is Love Pride. Ooh, look at that. It's nice. And then Tatchless. Ooh, that's really pretty. The camera is not really doing it justice from where I can see. But those are some pretty colors. I'm going to do one more. NDW. So we got NDW. And I will do this at the top. These are pretty. I can't wait to play with this palette. Very beautiful, everyday colors. And I love the skulls. And I think I seen this in my friend Catherine McCarty's unboxing. So that was nice. And so here goes the card. I don't ever read this. And this month's theme is Find Your Light. So next up is by Wander Beauty. I got a few products from them. And this is the Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. So let's open this and see. This is taped really good. There we go. Me in packages. So, ooh, this is really cute. It's really thin. Very thin. It's cute. So it's two-sided. You have a spoolie on one side, and then on the other side is the pencil. Ooh, it's very thin. Look at that. She is very thin. Super thin. Yeah. So, ooh, this is interesting. I'm going to try this out and see how it works. I usually deal with like a thicker pencil when doing my eyes, so we will see. And next up, this is the Antimatter lipstick by Illamasqua, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So let's open this up and see what's inside. And this is in the shade Midnight. Ooh, the case is beautiful, nice and sleek and black. I like that. It's light. Ooh, and yeah, midnight. Ooh, yes. This is nice and cute. Definitely a fall lipstick. Yes, I will be definitely wearing this one for sure. So next up, ooh, this I'm excited for. This is by Glamglow, and this is the Tropicalcleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. Ooh, this is so nice. I got a oops, wrong way. I got a Glamglow cleanser in one of my Ipsy Glam Plus box, I think a couple months ago, and I'm almost out, and it was a full size, and so I'm going to be really glad to try this out because the other one is almost gone. And let's see if she smells tropically. Oh, she does. And she's thick, and she has like a color to her. Let me take a little bit out, put it on this finger because that one had she's thick. But she has like a color to her. You see that? Some little exfoliants. Ooh, yes, I feel them in there. There's an exfoliant in there for sure. Ooh, this is nice. I can't wait to use this. You guys know I love facial products. And last but not least, I got the I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I cannot wait to try this. You guys know I love masks. Oh my goodness. I'm about to do a review video on this or something because, ooh, this sounds kind of cool. Diamond Peel Off Mask. Let's open her up. Let's open her up. Alright, so it comes with like a little top thing, I guess, so you can keep her fresh when you open her. But she's like in a white little thing like this. Super cute. Let's open. Okay, so she does have a seal. I don't want to break her open just yet, so I will do a review video on this. And then it comes with the little cover, so once you take off the peel, then you can put that in there, so that way it can stay fresh. Oh yes, I will be doing a review video on this because, oh my gosh, I love facial masks. So yes, I love everything that I got in my box this month. Everything was a great deal. I'm definitely going to be using the facial mask and the cleanser. And I'm going to be using the lipstick. And I can't wait to play with this palette and try it out. The shadows look really, really pretty and pigmented. And they, and they're very, very soft. So I can't wait to play with this and create a look. And yeah, this pencil is very interesting and it's very thin. So I can't wait to try this out and see how it does for me. And maybe I might find a new love. So yeah, comment down below, what did you like out of this month's Ipsy Glam Plus box? If you would like to sign up for an Ipsy Glam bag, I will have a link down below, so that way you can sign up for a $10 Ipsy Glam bag, which comes with 4 to 5 travel size products. And you can also upgrade to the Glam Plus box that way. So which is $25 a month for 4 to 5 full-size products. So yes, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.